Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to activate energy saving in Waze in 2026. If you're using Waze for a long trip and want to reduce battery usage, here's what you can do. First, open your Waze app on your phone and start your navigation. Tap the sound or settings option and check for any available battery saving or power saving feature in your version of the app. If the energy saving option is available, turn it on. This can help reduce battery consumption while you continue using Waze for navigation. You can also lower your phone screen brightness, enable your phone's built-in battery saver, and connect your device to a car charger during longer trips. Keep in mind that Waze features can vary depending on your phone, operating system, and app version. If you don't see a dedicated energy saving option, use your phone's battery saving settings instead. And that's how to activate energy saving while using Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.